Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Wurkkos flashlight. It's TS11 with SFT40 LED. And here are some specs and some photos how it looks. It was kindly sent to me by Wurkkos, thanks to them. And as always, I'll post link to a video description where you can find it. Hello friends, thank you for joining me today, and I want to apologize for my voice because I'm a bit ill. I have to do this review because I'm already late with it. So today we have Wurkkos flashlight. It's TS11. It's long range flashlight, pocket thrower you can say, and it came in this white box. I don't know why others receive other boxes, like orange with blue as I remember. This is the second Wurkkos flashlight I received in this white box. So we have here magnets. This was inside, also the manual, I'll show you later. And in this box we have charger, USB-C, and here we have spare O-rings and lanyard. It's TS11 user manual. You got ANSI chart. You got Unreal Simple UI, some information, operations. If you need it, you can always check it. I won't go deep into this. Here we have Unreal 2. It's the firmware this flashlight uses. And we have Simple, Advanced UI, and all the stuff. I won't go into this. I know that there are a lot of tutorials how to use Unreal 1, Unreal 2. So if you have any questions about the Unreal first or second, you can always ask me in the comments. So that was the manual, and now the flashlight. Flashlight is kind of small, with big head for its size, and big rubber button. All flashlight is made from metal, and it's kind of thick metal for its size. Tail cap with spring. Inside we have Wurkkos battery. It came with this battery, and I used it in all my tests and measurements. So it's 18350 battery, 1100 milliampere. And also you can unscrew all the tube with the battery from the head. And here we also have spring. One thing I would like to mention, that I understand that it's pocket size flashlight, it's meant for that, but I'd like to see separate tube for normal batteries from Wurkkos, because I know it can fit another tube. I already tried it from another flashlight I have. I don't remember, it was HS40 something. I'll put it in the comments. Yeah, so the flashlight with Unreal 2, and also it has auxiliary LEDs. They are on now, but with the light they're hardly visible, so we can make them brighter with 7 presses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, now you can see them. And you can program different light. I made it to show the battery. And depending on the charge and the voltage of the battery, it will change colors. So after you use it for some time, it will become other color if you make it for the battery. And now it's locked up. I made it so it locks up automatically. And this is the lowest mode. It was hard to film in nighttime shots. This is the ramping. Ramp is quite good, I would say. Yeah, and barely visible light. I guess it's less than 1 lumen. For 4.1 volts, so fully charged. It's step modes. Double press for turbo. And you can use turbo anytime. Double press to go back. Button sound. So, very nice small flashlight. And now let's test it outside in the dark. See you in nighttime shots. I hope you enjoyed those snap shots. Now we have runtimes, and we see that we have stabilization of the brightness on lower modes. Just on 6th mode, it does not look like stabilized, but it may be because of the temperature. Other modes, they step down initially because of the temperature. It's obvious. And the last graph shows you all the graphs. And as always, all those graphs will be in video description. I hope you enjoyed watching my review. So some final words about this flashlight. I think it's a very nice flashlight, considering what it's supposed to do and supposed to be. Small pocket thrower, 600 meters throw plus, I would say. But what about the lumens? I couldn't reach 2000 lumens in my measurements, and I think this is because of the battery. When I tested it with another tube, the longer tube from HS40 Sofern, it was okay with this battery. And so my thought is that there is no problem with the driver nor with LED, it's the problem with the battery. It's too small for this flashlight to get those 2000 lumens. But with a small battery, you have charging port and you can charge this flashlight quite quick with USB-C provided cable. Plus and minus for stabilization of the brightness, because it's kind of stabilized, but in some modes it's not that good. So another plus is Android firmware. It's Android 2. For somebody who likes it, it's very nice. For me, I don't usually use that on this kind of flashlights. Yes, on floodlights, it's another story. But if you want to use, for example, this flashlight as a torch, you definitely need some kind of diffuser, and it will not work as good as on floodlight, at least in my opinion. So overall, I think this flashlight is well built with good design. Considering what Wurkkos had in mind, and they, I think, wanted to make something small with good throw and charging possibility, and overall the package looks decent, and I think for the price you pay for this flashlight, it's a bang for the bucks. So that's it for now, guys. That's it for this review. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what I do, and keep supporting me. See you next time, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.